विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी श्री शिवरकर एम.एन. शंभू महादेव देवस्थान ट्रस्ट संचालित श्री देखराई माता माध्यमिक विद्यालय देखराई नगर फुरसुंगी या ठिकाणी उपशिक्षक म्हणून कार्यरत आहे. इयत्ता 9वी आणि इयत्ता 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी YouTube लेक्चर तयार करण्याचा मानस मनात ठेवून हा छोटासा प्रयत्न. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण वार्षिक मूल्यमापन योजना, इयरली प्लॅनिंग, इव्होल्युशन प्लॅनिंग असं आपण बघितलेलं होतं आणि त्याचाच एक भाग म्हणून आपण आता पुढे जाऊया. मॅथ्स 2 च्या पार्टकडे. पहिला जो टॉपिक आहे आपला बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री, या पार्ट मध्ये आपल्याला जायचं आहे. तत्पूर्वी एक नम्र विनंती तुम्हा लोकांना सर्वांनाच. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, संपूर्ण लेक्चर शेवटपर्यंत पहा. निश्चितपणे ते तुम्हाला आवडेल. प्रत्येक घटक व्यवस्थितरित्या समजावून सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न मी करणार आहे. निश्चितपणे प्रत्येक लेक्चर तुम्हाला आवडेल. लेक्चर आवडल्यास सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा, लाईक करा. इतर जे तुमचे मित्र, नातेवाईक, वर्गातले मित्र, बाहेरचे मित्र यांना सुद्धा हा व्हिडिओ शेअर करायला विसरू नका, ज्यामुळे मला मिळेल मोटिवेशन आणि तुम्हाला मिळतील लेक्चर्स ऑन मॅथ्स. चला तर जाऊया आजच्या साध्या सोप्या कॉन्सेप्ट कडे. टुडेज नेम ऑफ द टॉपिक इज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री. Geometry is the word which comes from two Greek words named as geo and metry. What is the meaning of geo? Geo nothing but earth. And what is the meaning of metry? Metry nothing but the measurement. So this topic is related to earth measuring, and that's why we have to study intensely. In this topic we have to first see coordinate of points and distance. So I draw the number line here. This is the number line. This is the only line, and when this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, this point O, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. In this number line, this 1 is the coordinate of point A, 2 is the coordinate of point B, 3 is the coordinate of point C, 4 is the coordinate of point D, 0 is the coordinate of point O, -1 is the coordinate of point E, -2 is the coordinate of point F, and -3 is the coordinate of G. Then we have to find distance between two points. Now, how to find distance between two points? Listen, this is the point of today's session. Distance between two points. For finding the distance between two points, there is very simple formula. Distance between two points is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, nothing but distance between two points. Distance between two points is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. मोठ्या निर्देशकातून लहान निर्देशक वजा करणे म्हणजे दोन पॉइंट मधलं डिस्टन्स शोधणे. This distance, suppose we have to find out distance between AD. written as like this, distance AD. This can be written as like this, length of AD. This can be written as like this, only AD. So, how to find this distance between 2 points? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Then I take one example here. We have to find distance between OG. We have to find distance between OG. What is the distance between OG? That is, we have to find distance between O and G. Coordinate of O is 0. Coordinate of G is -3. Then who is greater? Right hand side coordinate is greater. Always remember. And left hand side coordinate is smaller. So who is the right hand side coordinate? 0. So 0 is the greater coordinate. -3 is the smaller coordinate. Then distance OG is equal to coordinate of point O minus coordinate of point G. Very simple formula. Distance between 2 points is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Then distance OG is equal to coordinate of point O, that is 0, minus coordinate of point G, -3. So 0 minus into minus, nothing but plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So right here +3. And 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. That means distance between two distinct points is always positive. Remember this thing. Distance between two distinct points is always positive. Remember this point and note in your notebook. Distance between two distinct म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या, different. Distance between two distinct points is always positive. I take another one example here. We have to find again distance between AD. We have to find out distance between AD. We have to find distance between AD, point A and point D. Then, which is the coordinate of point D? 4. Which is the coordinate of point A? 1. So, who is the greater coordinate? Right hand side is greater, left hand side is smaller. So, greater coordinate is 4. Smaller coordinate is 1. So, distance of AD is equal to coordinate of point D minus coordinate of point A. Then coordinate of point D 4 minus coordinate of point A 1, and 4 minus 1 nothing but 3. And again I take. Remember that distance between two distinct points is always positive. Suppose we have to find out the distance between AA. Distance between AA. A is here. A having coordinate 1. That means this is the point. And we have to find out another point. A is also on that point. That means these 2 points are not distinct like this. These two points are not different points. One point is on the other. Then what is the distance between these? So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. That means when 2 points are coincide. What is the meaning of coincide? Like this. This is called coincide. When one point lies on the other, then this is called coincide. And This is called two distinct. These are called two distinct, and these are called coincide. When distance, we have to find out distance between coincide point. When one point coincide with the other, that time the distance between these two points is 0. Always remember, when points are coincident, then distance between these 2 points is 0. And one thing is here, distance between 2 points is never negative. Distance between 2 points is never negative. Remember this thing. Distance between two distinct points is never negative. Distance between two distinct points is never negative. Distance between two distinct points is always positive. And distance between coincident point is 0. Then we have to take practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. Question is very simple. Practice set 1.1. I draw the number line here. There is a number line. This is the number line. This is the number line. Here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, named as O, A, B, C, D, E. And here, -1, -2, -3, -4, and I extend this line here, that is -5, and named it as H, J, K, P, and Q. This is the number line which is given in your textbook, and we have to take some problem on this. Here we have to find distance between BE. Distance BE. That is your textbook question. Question number 1. Find the distance between two lines, distance between 2 points by using this number line. We have to find out distance between BE. Listen. What is the coordinate of B? Coordinate of B is 2. What is the coordinate of B? Coordinate of B is 5. Who is greater coordinate? 5. Who is smaller coordinate? 2. Always remember, right hand side coordinate is greater and left hand side coordinate is smaller. So, coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point B. Why we have to take like this? Because distance between 2 points is nothing but the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So who is greater coordinate? 5 is the greater coordinate, 2 is the smaller coordinate. So 5 minus 2, and this 5 minus 2 nothing but 5 minus 2 nothing but 3. Then I take another one example. Distance between PC. Distance between PC. Distance in between P and C you have to find. So listen carefully, all the friends. Then here P, where is P? P is here, and this P having coordinate -4. C is here, C having coordinate 3. Who is greater? 3 is greater. Who is smaller? -4 is smaller. Again, distance in between P and C is equal to coordinate of point C minus coordinate of point P. So, what is the coordinate of point C? 3 minus, what is the coordinate of point P? -4. And you know that you learn in 5th, 6th, 7th standard, minus into minus is nothing but plus. minus into minus nothing but plus. So 3 plus 4 and this 3 plus 4 nothing but 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So distance between point C and P is equal to 7 and which is positive. I take one another example in that. That is, we have to find out distance between OE. Another one example I take here. Distance between OE. Distance between OE. Distance between OE. That we have to find again. Listen. O having coordinate 0. E having coordinate 5. Who is greater? 5 is greater. Who is smaller? 0 is smaller. Then again, distance between OE is equal to coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point O. That is, who is the coordinate of point E? 5 minus coordinate of point O 0 and 5 minus 0 nothing but 5. That is your answer. Okay. Then coordinate of, we have to find again one problem. Take one problem. Distance between QB. Distance between QB. Distance between QB. Distance between QB. Which is the coordinate of point Q? Minus 5. Which is the coordinate of point B? 2. Then again distance QB is equal to coordinate of point B minus coordinate of point Q. So coordinate of point B is 2 minus coordinate of point B is 2 minus coordinate of point Q. Q having coordinate minus 5. Again very simple calculation. 2 minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 5 nothing but 7. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा पद्धतीने आपण तुमच्या एक्सरसाइज मधला 1 पॉइंट प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मधला पहिला क्वेश्चन कव्हर करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. तुम्ही हे संपूर्ण लेक्चर पहा, समजावून घ्या आणि स्वतः प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मधला पहिला क्वेश्चन सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. निश्चितपणे तुम्हाला तो येईल. आणि लक्षात ठेवा, डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह. Distance between two coincident point is 0 and distance between two distinct point is never negative. And when we have to find out distance between 2 points, we have to use the formula, that is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Always remember that right hand side coordinate is always greater and left hand side coordinate is always smaller. So this is the lecture depends on distance between 2 points by using number line. अशाच पद्धतीने अनेक व्हिडिओ लेक्चर तुमच्या समोर येत राहतील. परत एकदा तुम्हाला लोकांना नम्र विनंती, महादेव शिवरकर लेक्चर्स ऑन मॅथ्स हे चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.